How to properly draw blood cultures. Let's talk about it. My name is Christy. I've been an emergency room nurse for 13 years, and blood cultures is something that is definitely worried about and talked about in ERs, contamination rates, all of that stuff. So it's very important to know how to do it properly. Make sure you guys do all the things on the side. Make sure you watch this video all the way through and make sure you share it out. Some hospitals have a thing and it kind of looks like this. It's called a SteriPath, and they've got multiple different ones. This one has an actual butterfly needle, and this one actually attaches to the IV start kit. Okay. So when you're doing this is what you're going to need. You're going to need your SteriPath. You're going to need your IV. This is our IV needle, your IV start kit. And I always get an extra one of these. And then, of course, your blood culture bottles. You'll do two, not just one. You always do the green one, at least in our hospital. The green one's always done first. When you go to do this, pretend like this is the patient's arm. You're going to make sure that you wipe it from the inside out and briskly, and then let it completely dry before you draw blood. If for some reason you do not have one of these SteriPaths, when you draw the blood, you need to waste at least 10 cc's first, and then you can draw it with the syringe or however else you guys do it per your hospital. We use these, but if you don't use these, that's another option that you can do. Once you get your IV placed, you will go ahead and you're going to attach it to the end. This one, it has a piece right here. You actually clamp it and you attach it directly to here. And then you put your blood culture bottle here. And then once this fills up right here, then you click this little button, it goes in and it'll go into the tube. This one's already been done for demonstration purposes, but that's basically all it is. And then when you fill it up, you want to make sure that you fill it up to this line, okay? Um, it's very simple. If you have any questions or if you have been taught a different way to use it or to do it, please go ahead and leave those in the comments and I can verify or show you anything else that you may need. Again, make sure you guys do all the things on the site. I hope you have a great Sunday.